ramps offset, look. It's designed for this jetty.
Oh, I see. So it comes up here, up to this bit.
Yeah, must.
Wow. It's really wide, isn't it?
Yeah.
You've seen it.
Yeah.
There's Jane and Steve up the top there. You see them?
Yeah.
Beside the guy in the blue jacket.
Yeah. Just watch yourself, thing.
What's it?
Remind me to be the boarding pass. In my pocket. Okay, mine back in there, is it? Mine back in there.